Right, so what's occurring in AI this week? Because I'll tell you what, it has been a proper busy one for open source. No hype, no paywalls, just genuinely lush stuff dropping that you can actually run on your own machine. So let's get into it, yeah? Grab your brew, let's go.
Right, so you lot know I use 12GP basically every day at this point. It's the tool for running local video generation if you haven't got a server farm in your back garden, which, same, to be fair. Well, Deep Beep Meep has been absolutely mental with updates lately. The big one this week? LTX 2.3 frame injection is in, so you can push reference frames through to keep character consistency across clips. Honestly, the 12GP changelog right now reads like a Christmas list that someone actually delivered on. Link to the GitHub in the description, yeah?
Right, I'm not gonna lie to you, babe. This one actually got me a bit giddy. Ace Step 1.5 just dropped an XL version. We're talking a 4 billion parameter DIT decoder for music generation that runs locally on consumer hardware. It generates full songs with vocals, melody, harmony, the lot, from a text prompt in under 10 seconds on an RTX 3090. 10 seconds for a full song. People are calling it the stable diffusion moment for music, as in the point where it stopped being a research project and started being something you and me can actually use on a Tuesday afternoon. 3 variants came out: Bass, SFT and Turbo. Turbo is the fast one if you're just vibing and want quick results. Bass gives you more control. You need at least 12 gig of VRAM. 20 recommended for the XL, but it supports Nvidia, AMD, Intel and Mac, so no excuses really, is there? It does cover generation, song repainting, in-painting, so you can regenerate just a section of a track while keeping the rest, and vocal to background music conversion. That last one is dead good for content creators who want custom backing tracks for their videos without paying Suno 20 quid a month. Available on GitHub, Comfy UI and Hugging Face.
Now look, this isn't brand new, but it keeps coming up in the comments, and honestly, it deserves another mention because it keeps getting better. Kokoro TTS, 82 million parameters, runs on your CPU, generates a 6-hour audiobook in 4 minutes, beats models 15 times its size and quality. What's been happening lately is the community tooling around it has got really mature. There are now proper Docker containers, fast API wrappers and Gradio interfaces you can spin up in about 10 minutes with no Python headaches. They've expanded to 54 voices across 8 languages, and they've added a new British voice category that, and I'm not being biased here, sounds genuinely lovely. For anyone making voiceovers, tutorials, or just wants an AI voice for their content without paying 11 labs every month, Kokoro is your girl. Apache 2.0 license, completely free, runs offline once you've downloaded it. Don't panic if the setup looks scary at first. It's fine, we've all done it. There's a 1-command Docker install now. I'll link the repo below.
Fair play to Alibaba, honestly, because 2.6 just keeps getting more capable. If you haven't been following the One family, this is Alibaba's open source video and image generation model, and it's been absolutely chasing down the commercial stuff. The 2.6 version does text to video, image to video and reference to video, where it keeps your character consistent across multiple shots. The video models now go up to 1080p and 15 seconds with native audio-visual sync built in. The image generation side handles up to 2048 by 2048 with better text rendering and improved prompt understanding. It's a mixture of experts architecture, so it's got 27 billion parameters total, but only activates about 14 billion at once, which is why it can actually run on consumer GPUs. An RTX 4090 can do a 5-second clip in about 9 minutes. Not instant, but it's a 27 billion parameter model on your desk. Give it a bit of grace, yeah? The S2V variant, speech to video, is the one that's doing talking head stuff. Feed it a photo, an audio clip and a text prompt, and it animates the whole thing with full body motion and lip sync. The community has been saying it's catching up to Google Veo 3 in some tests, which
if true, is genuinely mental. All weights are on Hugging Face. Comfy UI nodes are available. Links in the description.
Fair play to Alibaba, honestly, because 2.6 just keeps getting more capable. If you haven't been following the Wan family, this is Alibaba's open source video and image generation model, and it's been absolutely chasing down the commercial stuff. The 2.6 version does text to video, image to video, and reference to video, where it keeps your character consistent across multiple shots. So, that's your open source AI week right there. Video generation getting HDR upgrades, music generation hitting the stable diffusion moment, local TTS that runs on your laptop CPU, and Alibaba quietly becoming a proper force in open video. No subscriptions, no paywalls, no $20 a month for a tool you could just run yourself. That's what we're about here, innit? If you found this useful, share it with someone who's still paying for stuff they don't have to. Leave a comment below with what you've been generating this week, because I genuinely love seeing what you lot are making. Right, that's me done. In a bit, good vibes only.